is the western Odisha part, and Balangir, Kalahandi, these areas are known for the repeated drought. The root cause of that, what we understood, is the depletion of forest itself. It was once very dense forest in Balangir, and gradually it is reduced because of many reasons.
The Harishankar Hill Range in Balangir district was once a living archive of medicinal plants, wildlife habitats and sacred groves. Today, the balance is slipping. Years of unchecked deforestation have thinned forests, dried up water sources and triggered a steady collapse of biodiversity, resulting in mass migration every year.
So one report says that about 23% forest coverage was there in Balangir district, and recent past some survey was done, it was reduced to 7%. How the forest can be restored back, the ecosystem can be restored back, and that is possible if community people who are living in the fringe villages, they take the ownership of their own resource.
The Regional Center for Development Corporation has been working closely with local communities to rethink how land and forests are managed. Their approach is to place community stewardship at the heart of climate action, biodiversity protection, and long-term survival.
Regional Center for Development Cooperation empower the communities for a sustainable natural resource management. We have been working currently about 648 villages spreading across 178 gram panchayats in 9 districts of Odisha. Our HCLTech grant focuses on restoration of ecosystem in the long run. We will build the people's capacity, how they will govern this forest. We will see wherever there is a requirement for plantation, we will ensure that in large scale in that area, but it should be a native species. Farming system which is resilient to all the disaster, that type of natural farming will promote. And the fourth, the NTAP enterprise, we will give them some market opportunity for value addition. We are not only promoting the forest and protection, but also we are linking forest to the livelihood of some of the people. They are the first line of stakeholders, and if their capacity and knowledge is strengthened with their own indigenous knowledge plus the technical scientific knowledge merged together, and they will better manage their land, forest and water.